Hi friends, today we will look at a unique ESET function that might help you to keep your data safe. No virus or malware can harm the data stored in the protected folder. First and foremost, ESET SMART SECURITY PREMIUM must be installed on your computer. To make a secure folder, go to Overview menu and then select Secure Data. There will be two options available here. Make a virtual drive and encrypt a removable drive. Click on Encrypt a removable drive to create a folder in your pen drive. Click on Create a virtual drive to create a secure folder on your hard drive. Okay, let's make a secure folder on our hard drive. To begin, browse to the area where you want to create a secure folder. Then select the partition of your hard drive where you want to create a secure folder and click the Save button. Then you must specify the size of the secure folder. You can choose from available templates or define your own custom size. Then go with the Continue option. The following step is to create a password. Note that the password cannot be recovered. Then uncheck the Decrypt automatically on this Windows account option and press Continue button. That's all. Your encrypted virtual drive is created successfully. To use newly created secure folder, access the drive where we build the secure folder. Choose secure folder and input your password. The secure folder will be opened and copy your important files there. To lock that secure folder, go to this PC or my computer. Right-click on the virtual drive that contains your secure folder and select Eject Encrypted Drive. This is how we can use secure data in ESET SMART Security Premium. Thank you.